Good morning Year 10. Today's lesson is all about cubic graphs. Now at the end of the video I'll give you the questions to be answered today, but I'd like to give you the example first. So a cubic graph is where you've got a power 3 above this x, and there'll be lots of other stuff, could be some squares, could be just x's, could just be a number, but if you've got a cubed as your biggest power, it's a cubic graph. Now a cubic graph generally has two shapes. They either look like that, or they're going to go the other way and look like that. Now mainly on foundation it's going to be this type of graph because it's a positive cubic. So just like yesterday I'm going to go through how to do one graph. Please do the example with me and then you can do the questions that I'll give you at the end of the video. So we're going to start with our table of values. So I've got x and y, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to think about this graph and actually how I'm going to put it into my calculator. So I've got x times x times x plus 2 times x plus 3. So that's what I'm going to put in each time. So let's start with 0. Okay, I'm just going to move over so you can see my calculator. So I'm going to do 0 times 0 times 0 plus 2 times 0 plus 3. Okay, so happily got an answer of 3. Do the same up here. 1 times 1 times 1 plus 2 times 1 plus 3. Answer of 6. 2 times 2 times 2 plus 2 times 2 plus 3, 15, and it's going to get very big very quickly. 3 times 3 times 3 plus 2 times 3 plus 3 gives 36. So the positive numbers relatively easy. Negative numbers a little bit more tricky. So let's do negative 1. I need to be using the negative button on my calculator. So negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 plus 2 times negative 1 plus 3, and I've got 0. Do the same with minus 2. Negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 plus 2 times negative 2 plus 3 is minus 9. And then I've got minus 3 times minus 3 times minus 3 plus 2 times minus 3 plus 3 gives me minus 30. Now actually what you'll find is with this graph, with what we've just drawn, this hump bit here has kind of disappeared and it's done this. That's absolutely fine. So let's get on with drawing our axes. So we're going to need to give ourselves a bit of space. We need x to go from minus 3 to 3. And our y-axis is going to be that little bit more difficult today because we've got to be able to cope with very big numbers and very small numbers. Okay, which means your graph is not going to be 100% accurate, but that's okay. So here's my x. Different paper today. I'm going to go across in twos. Here's my y-axis. Now I've got to get up to 36. So I'm going to make two squares worth 10. So I've got 10, 20, 30, which means 40 would be up here. Minus 10, minus 20, minus 30 down the bottom. Okay. Now I can start to plot my points. So I had 0 and 3. Now that means I'm going across 0 and up 3. Well, halfway is 5. So 3 is going to be about there. Got 1 and 6. 2 and 15, 3 and 36. I've then got minus 1 and 0. I've got minus 2 and minus 9, and minus 3 and 30. So I've got this curved shape. I can then start to do my curve, try and keep it as smooth as possible. Remember to carry on past your points, and you've got a quadratic graph. Y equals x cubed plus 2x plus 3. Questions I would like you to do today are at the bottom now. Please upload your pictures once you're done. So 3 questions. Y equals x cubed plus 1. Y equals x cubed plus 3x minus 4. And y equals x cubed plus x squared minus 4x plus 2. Have a good day.